First at 5, a new project in downtown Austin will have buses traveling against traffic on a one-way street. It's all in an effort to ease congestion along a busy corridor.
Traffic planners say it'll help traffic flow more smoothly and also shave more than a minute off of bus routes traveling north from Lavaca to Guadalupe. And that's where KXAN's Jacqueline Powell is live to explain how it's going to work. Jacqueline.
Well, Sydney, Robert, this is taking some creativity using 18th Street here to divert traffic that would usually take buses along MLK to get to Guadalupe. And instead, it'll bring those buses on this one-way stretch of Guadalupe going in the opposite direction of traffic. That will take a few months of construction to create that workaround.
It's a nightmare some days. You're just like, okay, well.
I know there's that weird little left turn, right turn thing that buses can do, but then cars can't do, and then cars are inside the bus lane as well, so it's kind of weird.
Well, this new plan isn't necessarily any less weird, but traffic planners say it should work a lot better than what's currently in place.
We have just unreliable congestion through the corridor. It can be difficult to create schedules that can be consistent all the time when we're merging with autos and there's block boxing and all those things.
The Austin Transportation Department will begin reconfiguring this area with the help of Cat Metro next month. They expect to be done by September. Watch closely here. Once construction's finished, buses will travel down a dedicated bus-only lane on the right-hand side of Lavaca. Then, at the intersection of Lavaca and 18th, they'll have their own short signal to turn left in front of the other lanes of traffic, make their way onto 18th, and turn right onto this stretch of Guadalupe. It'll essentially become a two-way, but only for buses in the northbound lanes. They'll travel against traffic until they get to MLK, where they'll have another dedicated bus signal to continue north on the current two-way part of Guadalupe.
We'll be really removing ourselves largely from that area, so allocating more space to other modes.
Some in the area wonder if a contraflow bus lane might confuse drivers.
And I see so many cars get in the bus lane. Austin has not gotten used to bus lanes.
But planners say they'll put in plenty of special signage so safety won't be an issue.
Cat Metro says 14 different bus routes use this corridor, so the hope is that that will make those bus routes all more reliable when it comes to being on time, and in the long run, planners hope that that will boost ridership across the city. This project also calls for putting in a dedicated bike and pedestrian lane right along here next to the bus lane in this one-way stretch of Guadalupe. Live in Austin, Jacqueline Powell, KXAN News.
All right, it'll be interesting. Jacqueline, thank you. Cat Metro planners didn't come up with this on their own. They actually looked to cities like Seattle and Denver, where this has really helped with traffic.